Alright, Jackson RCA Aviation. We are doing unboxing of the what's this here?
The Team Associated SC28.
Team Associated
SC28.
SC28 Fox. Ready to run.
Ready to rock.
And then we have over here the Horizon Hobby Axial Deadbolt. Stand by. We'll check them out.
Alright, we'll keep going.
Alright, so here's what we got. So it looks like you got batteries in there. Okay, set it down there.
I gotta cut it first.
Alright, let's take a look at it real quick. Stand by. Alright, so you got the full teeny thing here. What's it?
SC28.
SC28. And look, it even got suspension on it. Isn't that something for a little ass thing like this?
Show the inside.
What are we gonna work on all that for?
We're not gonna see the inside.
Yeah, well, no, I ain't worried about the inside. It is what it is. By the way. Alright, run out of time.
It works.
Alright, okay. So anyway, you come with your controller here. Something real simple. Voila. Alright, there you go. So there it is. The Fox. On that one,
Say to the side.
the SC28. And all your little goodies. We'll do another test on the run. Next we're going to be talking about is the Horizon
Axial
Deadbolt SCX24 Deadbolt. And there's another picture of the Fox in all its glory. And that's the Deadbolt. Comes in two colors, red
and
that's
colors.
something. And that's
Make a
something.
bigger
How long does it take to open that box? So anyway,
To make a bigger one, it comes in tan.
there you go, right there. Just give me that shit, man. Take it out of the box. All right, underneath, again, you got all your batteries
Scissors.
and
They're over there.
thanks Horizon Hobby and all the people there for sharing the goodies. Come on, hurry up there. And that's how the box comes. Of course, the controller's underneath. Stop breathing so hard. Act like you're gonna fall out, pass out. Alright, set that down there. Move the box. Move the box. Okay. So here's what we got here. Nice big wheels. Real lights work? Hell no.
I think there is.
Hmm?
I like the top one. I think there's like a line.
Got a little man right there. Anyway, we'll do another video. It's gonna be real quick on how this one looks. This is a crawler. Got a first crawler. What's this regular? Is that a crawler?
No, it's
a short course. And of course, that's the controller there. All right. And what's that? Charger.
The battery inside.
All right, the battery's inside. We'll worry about that another day. So anyway, that's what we got here. And we'll get back to you. This Jackson RCA Aviation Mason doing the unboxing of the Axial Deadbolt and the SC28 Associates. What do you call it? Team Associates.
Associated.
So whatever.
Associated.
Who cares? Anyway,
They're associated.
we'll see you soon. Thanks for coming by. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, let's see what we got. Just think it does. Uh-oh. Might not be high enough.
Too high.
Too high. Oh, hold on.